Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and do not change from this channel in a minute. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys a deep fried mustard pork chop, and at the end I'm going to show you guys how to make a 24 karat gold pork chop. Okay guys, here's the pork chops right here. This was $6. I don't know, about 4 or 5. Yeah, about 5 of them in there. Here's the mustard I'm going with. You can use any mustard you want. Some people like French's, some like the generic brand. It doesn't matter to me. It's going to have a distinct taste anyway. It's going to have a mustard taste. I got my seasoning over here. This is black pepper. This is granulated onion. This is lemon pepper. This is Tony's Creole seasoning. This is some garlic salt by Lawry's. Yeah, Lawry's. And this is seasoned all by Morton. Okay. And here's that gold. This is part 2 series of the gold. All right. So I can't make that many because my kids, they get kind of squeamish a little bit when they see stuff like that. Although it's edible gold, they ain't trying to hear that. So I'm going to make only one, and I'll be eating that one. And that'll probably be the thumbnail as well. Alright, so that was like a teaspoon of the black pepper. I'm going to go with the onion. I'm going to go with about a tablespoon of that. I like to taste my food. I'm going to go with a tablespoon of the lemon pepper. Alright. Alright, we're going to go with a teaspoon of the garlic. Could have opened that up, make it a little bit easier on my life. Alright. Alright, the Tony's we're going to go with, because I like mine a little spicy. I'm going to go with a tablespoon. We'll go with a tablespoon. Because see, I'm not going to season my meat. I put all my seasoning in the bag. Alright, this is the season all. We're going to go with like a teaspoon of that. That's it. That's spicy. So that's in the bag. You just shake it up 2 or 3 minutes or whatever. Alright. And that's that. Alright. We're going to open this up. Put my gold over here, out the way. My mustard over there. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. And then I'll bring you guys back in and I'll show you what we'll be doing next. So stay tuned in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Done washing out this pork chop. Just trying to throw these gloves on. Because I'm about to get nasty with this mustard. Haha! Anyway, let's get back to this. We're going to put our mustard on it. Just move this around. Now, for best taste, you want these to marinate anywhere to 2-3 hours or whatever, or overnight, preferably. It's still gonna taste good, but it just tastes a little bit better. Yep. My damn pepper. Pepper ain't spilled. I gotta buy some more pepper. Yeah, I got about 2 teaspoons. 2 tablespoons on the floor. Oh my goodness. Now you see, that's why I move stuff out the way. Alright, so this is all you're going to do. And come over here with this bag. I'm just going to drop it in the bag. Lay it up in there. If I can form me a bubble or something. Just like that. Okay? The deep fried mustard is off the chain. I tried to tell you guys I've been doing this for years. And barbecue with it. Please barbecue with it. OMG. Talking about something great. Man, you're gonna fall in love with this. I do this on all type of meats. You can do fish, all that stuff. And shout out to my boy G Rich, cause I never thought to name it no mustard fried chicken, boy. I swear for a living, I never thought to name it. I always cook with mustard. I never thought to name it that. So yeah, I'm just gonna shake this up. And I got another one. You think the mustard tastes good? I got another little recipe that's gonna really shock you. If nobody don't, do it before I do it. Hopefully they don't, but hey. Deep fried mustard fried pork chop. And one 24 karat gold 24 karat gold pork chop. I'll probably set them side by side. That is, man. I don't know why I'm using the paper towel. I gotta sit there. I had to do it for a reason, for that reason. Okay, really coated. All right. Make sure that's well coated. Yep, it's well coated. All right, I'm gonna take these gloves off. Head over there. I guess I can put you guys up so you won't have to travel with me. So I'm gonna go over there and drop it, okay? Just like so. Head over there, drop my basket. Green light is on. These pork chops, shake it off. And drop it. Nothing hard, guys. We're gonna let that cook, guys, about 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I am done. Let me see if you guys can see this. Should have had my thing turned around. All right, there you go. .24 karat gold pork chop. Been nice if I had better lighting. And of course, deep fried mustard pork chop. Right there. Here's those. I did make some garlic mashed potatoes from scratch. All right. All right, guys. Please give me a like, share, and comment. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen in a minute.